Hi guys, it's Risa. Welcome to my messy kitchen because I just went grocery shopping and I wanted to show you some of my meal prep plan ideas for the upcoming week for myself and my family. And hopefully it helps you on your journey. Before I start, I just want to remind you guys to please share, subscribe, comment, like, okay? And ring the bell option so you'll get all my new videos by email. Alrighty, so I went to different stores because I find different things in different stores. A big bag of red potatoes. You could make my delicious mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, mashed potatoes, um, all different types of recipes. And tonight I'm making mashed potatoes. Of course, a big bag of peppers that I get at Costco to make my stuffed peppers or just to cut up for veggies to eat. I like raw veggies for a stir fry, and they are super sweet and delicious. I bought eggplant because I'm going to be making a crispy eggplant and a crispy eggplant pizza. So stay tuned for those recipes. Unless, depending on when you're watching this, they're already out. I haven't bought these in a long time, Brussels sprouts, and I love them. And you can bake them. You can cut them open and drizzle olive oil and different seasonings and roast them. They are amazing. I know not everyone loves them, but I love them. Broccoli, of course, for my stir fries. I just love them in my salads. And I love to steam them, bake them, roast them, barbecue them, and asparagus as well. You can do so many things with asparagus. Add them to your stir fries or your frittatas, your quiches, your eggs, and they are delicious roasted, barbecued, baked. Cucumbers for your salad, and I'm going to be doing a special recipe with cucumbers that are in a vinegar delicious dressing. So stay tuned for that. And I'm making a Italian frittata with arugula, and I add that to my spring mix for my salads, and it's super delicious. And I like having some mozzarella cheese for lots of different recipes as well. Definitely in my quiches, frittatas. Okay, your egg bites, really yummy. Your pizzas, my pizzas you can check out. And big piece of salmon for dinner or for lunch. Doesn't matter. You can use, I bought this dilly dip lighthouse that I like. I like making it with teriyaki, olive oil, garlic, fresh dill. You can season it the way you like and bake or grill or barbecue your fish. Even pan fry it. Why not? I do that as well. And it was on sale, the chicken meat. And I love making my burgers. You can check out my burger recipes, my meatball recipes, and I like to use it for, of course, tacos and my crack slaw recipes. I bought just some chicken meat. I love that just even as a snack or for my lunch or throw in salads. And a special treat is my crab meat, and I like using that in hell of a good dip. And really, you can decide how much you want. It's not really a big recipe. You just add crab and hell of a good dip and taste it. If you need more dip, add more dip. You want more crab, add more crab. So all you'll be counting is the hell of a good dip. Turkey pepperoni, guys, great for your quiches, frittatas, on your pizzas, Okay, my 2-ingredient pizzas. All right, delicious as a snack. You can have them, and you can have 10 of them for 1 point if you're on WW. And my husband wanted some chicken wings. I love chicken wings. Why not? Just count the points. Back ribs. Add your favorite spices. I like using onion powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika or habanero. A little bit of sesame oil is really good. Rub it all together. Some sugar-free barbecue sauce or regular barbecue sauce. And of course, eggs for everything. I love hard-boiled eggs. I love them as a snack. And of course, chopped egg, egg salad for lots of my baking recipes. You can check out, of course, on my YouTube channel and my old channel, delicious recipes with lots of different egg recipes. Hummus, I love as a snack. And I just bought this poppy seed dressing, just a light dressing to have, and some salsa because I'm going to be making tacos. And I like to use it in other recipes as well. All right. You can use it also in your quiches. And why not? My egg whites as well. I'm going to be using that for my recipes, of course, for baking, for, I love just having fried egg whites, egg white omelets, of course, for my egg omelets as well. And egg whites are great because they just bulk it up if you're having eggs. And I love grapes. They're delicious. Of course, not too many. They have good natural sugar and it helps with my sweet tooth. And of course, I love bananas for my banana bread, banana muffins. I love it with peanut butter. And as a special treat, some whipped cream to add on top of my fruit. And if I have a light hot chocolate, why not? On top of my muffins. Okay, so lots of different ideas. Oh, and I did buy a squash. I forgot to show you. I love pepper-nut squash. Super delicious to bake and roast. Okay, so here are a lot of different options that you can have for meal planning, meal prep, and when you're grocery shopping. Make sure you write a list, think about what you want to have, and you can change your mind. Like I may change my mind and not use the dill dip. I might make teriyaki. You know, it just depends how I feel, and that's okay too. But being organized and having the right foods in your house will help you to stay on track, of course. So these are just some options that you can have and make. Okay. So I hope it was helpful for you guys. Love you. Take care. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye, guys.